Hi, I'm Jared Dillon recording this code review 2 for the .NET class, and this is the code I'm going to be going over. In the customers controller, I'm going to start right up here, this new stuff we added. Here we create a variable called context from a private class application DB context, and we create that, and then we set it down here using the customer controller function. We assign context a new application DB context, whatever that is. So here, I'm pretty sure this is what makes the most sense to me. We create it here, create context here. And then here, we assign it to whatever it is whenever we call the customers controller. And then down here, we dispose of it using the dispose method. So this creates it, and this just assigns it and dumps whatever's in there. It just goes back and forth between that, I would assume. Or it's just we reassign it here. Even though we create it, it might not be assigned to anything. Or it might be, but this is private, so the customer's control, nothing else can really use it. Right, so we have to assign it in a public function here. And actually, I don't remember the order I was going to look at all this. Okay, yeah. So down here we have our view result index function, which we take the context, take the customers, because this is from the customers controller. So we assigned it that application DB context. So we take the customers in the context and we include all from the membership type, because the membership type contains all of these keys or values or whatever, which we are going to use in this index here, because we have customer dot membership type dot name. So it seems like we include the membership type in this customer's variable, which we use here. So we can use customer dot membership type, because membership type is included. We included it in the customer's variable and put it all into a list. And then same with details, which in the HTML here in the view, I can just run this. So this is how we get, let me see if I can snap that. So we have our membership type included with our customers in our context, so that we can use the customer.membership type, so we don't have to have, so we can know what's linking them, so we can display the customer and membership type, discount rate, and if they're subscribed or not. And that just pulls from these databases we created. So whatever their membership type is, we include everything that's in here so that we can use it in the index. So that makes sense. And then, was I gonna look at this? No. Yeah, and then here's where we set up the application DB context. And we set a DB set for customers and movies. The movies is like exactly the same. And one more thing I wanted to show was in the initial videos, that you showed with adding these data annotations, I was a little confused. I tried to add, because I tried to add my own, or like I had my own and then I tried to add what you had. And I thought these went above whatever it was, because these references look like they split up whatever it is. So I thought the reference, like this, was all one block. And I kept getting errors until I realized that this goes below it. So that's not really anything important, but I'm just glad that I figured that out, because that kind of threw me for a loop. So yeah, that's really it. I can run this again, show that it works. We have our customers here, and each customer shows their membership discount rate, if they're subscribed or not, because they have their membership type. I just went over all that. So yeah, that's it. So yeah.